Welcome, welcome. Father God, if you're not busy, come through. Come through, come round the place, round the book place and the true place. Come in not understand what I want about the place. Yes, what if things are going about the place. And around the social media place. Some people are mad out. Them are mad out because them are autopsy. Yeah, them are autopsy and they can't see. So I don't know what is taking place. Yeah, I don't understand it at all. Yeah, them are mad about the funeral fee and I cannot fee. Father God, we need help around here. Yeah, pay things are going around here, man. Me not understand because at first, when me hear the girl go along with herself about some kind of hard taps and see, and the people them over the fence, me did think say she promote a new business, yeah, one new business near hard taps and see the cakes, yes, auto taps and see the cake. And you know, from over here, she back at the class, she don't have no subjects, So sometimes I understand so good. So when we go look, one other place, the enemies, the people, the enemies against 99. Then they find this autopsy. So me have to ask Siri. So me ask Siri. Me write down the word. And me ask Siri. And Siri tell me what. And me get to find out what. So me go down 99. And me see one thing say autopsy result is in. So me find out now. Say Miss Richie. Guys, find one not so bright, And Miss Richie autopsy result coming in. Yes. And them have a lot to say about it. So, because sometimes we just see these little topic and me not listen for long, so we don't get the full understanding. So the result come in, and from what I can see, it's an official piece of documentation. A lot of people ask all kind of questions and all kind of chance, but them are go ask and talk until them mad out, because them are mad out. Them are mad out around the place, yeah. So the little bit that I felt so touched by when me listen and me hear, Ernie, I must have Ernie and Claudia, I think them name a talk, and they were just talking about, Claudia was talking about a few, she went round and had a little look around at the packages and stuff, and, and Ernie must have talk about the autopsy result, and it say, no, they can't talk, said the lady, Killelled, the person. And that's when I was touched by that, and I was thinking, mighty God, that's their family and they're grieving and they have to put up with all this that's going on, and it's really, really bad. And then somebody in the comment section was saying they need to shop around for packages and stuff. I'm thinking, what? How can you shop around? The body is somewhere at the moment. And we are going to shop around and move her. We are going to move her. It don't make sense. That's what I was thinking. It don't make sense. I know grocery shopping you're doing. These people, you can negotiate because somebody they call in, and I suppose they can negotiate and so on. But at the end of the day, the people are prepared to, put their little money towards it. And I think there's all kind of thing going on. Say the lady also did say she go pay a fee, and no, she not pay a fee. That's what the enemy them are saying. But what if the planka people they want to pay a fee? Why is it a problem to these people? That's what I don't get. These people now naysayers wanna give not them say this and them set and knows what. Them not put nothing to it, but them have so much to say about the whole thing. Yeah. Leave the people them and leave the lady and make, leave her, make she rest in peace. No. This is downright disrespectful now. It's gone too far to another level now. Yeah. Because we see one little caption over so saying the autopsy open up a can of worms. That's a caption. Me not even bother to listen because it's all the false narrative and there are kind of things that they like to spread out there, and there's a pass over the one-stop shop they overdoing shop on the year. Some people calling and they might talk and some are saying this and some saying that, and the minute you talk in defense of the lady down the shop, all you could see was comment section to say, what she have against Tina? What she have against Tina? But the woman was just talking, facts. As somebody said, she was just talking facts. Saying the woman is a 93-year-old woman. Jamaica is a third world country. They might have about this well per doctor visit and check up and all these things. And kind of asking and comfort. Who's going to be taking a 93-year-old woman that's got a mind of her own? She has got capacity. It costs money to take her every minute to doctors to have check-up. And I find out some of these doctors in Jamaica, because I have family in Jamaica, so I know the score. They will give you everything. They give antibiotics for Jamaica, we find. Yeah, they give antibiotics and whatever. So if you don't have a good doctor sometimes, they're treating you for something, one or go so. Miss Richie is 93. They must appear this and that and whatever. We don't know whether Miss Richie was on tablets or what's going on. So all this speculation and all these things is just crazy. Yeah. In this country, if you got blood pressure, you got any kind of heart disease, you want medication, but medication will just with some of the symptoms. It's not going to stop you from having a heart attack or a stroke. Me hear somebody was saying they never know. I said you can have a stroke and it kill you so quick. What kind of thing you hear? Some of the people that make out that they're so intelligent and all this, it's crazy when you hear somebody talking while going. The one woman that calling over. I have to listen to most of it, the people that calling, because when I hear the start. But the calling bit that I was listening to, the woman that calling and say, yes, they'll give them ensure, and if they want to eat crisp and all this something that they want to eat, you leave them because a lot of them elderly people are underweight. So any little thing to bring up them calories for the day. Yeah. 40 sip them have in this country, a 40 sip. And you 9 out of 10 times they're not going to just keep checking, calling somebody in for check them every minute. So if you're on certain medication, they'll check your kidney once a year. If there's a symptoms, if you got symptoms, if you're symptomatic, yeah, they will do blood tests. But a 93-year-old woman, I don't think they're going to put her through surgery. Because if her arteries are clogged up, she would have to have surgery. She'd have to have some kind of surgery. And they're not going to put her through this. So this checkup, this don't happen here. Yes. They will just send you medication. And this hiding medication in food. Who's going to put medication in food? Force feed people, give them, force feed them, when they got capacity. Most of them are going to know say it tastes different, you've altered the taste. Most of these people are not stupid. They know when you're trying to disguise and do certain things. And as I can see, this lady look like say she had a mind of her own, and she's gonna decide what she want and what she don't want. And people ask, you have to respect them anyway. So all this talk is just a bit of I don't know. It's just another thing to try to bring the woman down. Cause me not see what me artist I said this and I said that, her father this and her father that, and you should do this. I think they forget that, what goes on. I don't know what goes on in America, but what goes on in America ain't gonna happen in Jamaica, So and that me I go say. And anyway, we don't talk, but I think they need to leave the family alone and show some respect now. Yeah, it gone too far now. Yes, let the lady rest in peace now. They're doing too much. Yeah.